In this video, I want to explain how to create a notepad file in UiPath Studio. So first we want to go to the new and click on the new sequence and name the sequence as creating notepad. Click on create. So the new sequence was created. Then we have to use the send hotkey in order to run the command. So drop it here. We have to select the Windows and the shortcut used for run command is smaller. So type smaller here. Let's check whether it's working or not. Save the file on the command. Yes, it's working. Now we have to type the notepad into the column. So use the type into, drop it here, indicate it on the screen where we want to write. Then we want to mention with the notepad here in the double quotes. Then we have to click the OK. So drop the click button here, indicate it on the screen, OK. So it's marked there. Let's check whether the notepad is created or not. Save and run. See, the notepad is created. Then we want to type some text into the notepad file. So use type into, drop it here, indicate it on the screen where we want to type. So you want to type here. So indicate it on the screen. Then mention what we want to type. Something like hello world. After typing into it, after typing in the text into the notepad file, we want to save the file. For saving the file, use the click option, indicate on the screen file, then click on the save as. So again indicate on the screen, save as. For saving, we want to use the type into, drop it here, indicate on the screen where we want to save the file. So here we want to text with which name we have to save the file. So mention it in the double quotes like notepad creation, notepad creation. Then we want to click on save. So drop the click here and indicate on the screen the save button. So a notepad file is created and it is saved. Let's check whether it is running or not. Before that, any previous notepad files are there, we want to remove it. Remove, then save the file, run option. So we have seen that the notepad file is created and it is saved with the name notepad creation. Now if we want to change the font of the text which we have mentioned in the notepad, then go to click, drop it here, indicate on the screen which we want to like format one. So click on format. Then we want to click font. So again drop click, indicate on the screen, font. Then we want to select which font we want to use. So use the type into, indicate on the screen, font font style. If we want use some Arial, so click on Arial here. Then we want to select italics. So use type into, indicate on the screen, italics. Then name it in the double quotes, light italics. Then we want to change the size. So drop type into, indicate on the screen. Let's use size as some 14. Then we want to finally click the save button. So drag here, click one, indicate it on the screen like OK. So we have created a notepad file and we want to change the font. So we have use and type into 3 times in order to change the font style, italics, and the size. And finally, we use the OK button to run. So let's check whether it's working or not. Before that, remove the files which were created earlier. Then click on save, run option. So we can see that the notepad file was created and it is saved and the font was also changed. We can see there, yeah, the font was changed. So that's it.